What's going on, everybody? Alright, so this is an update video of 1 week. 1 week of parting out this car. Seeing if I can make a profit parting it out while keeping the engine for myself. This is my progress. I only get to work on the car about once a week on Sundays. So I get about 5 hours on Sundays, so 5 hours a week to start working on it. This is how far I am. I'm taking the parts and putting them on eBay and Craigslist, Facebook, all that stuff, seeing if I can make a profit. Kind of just documenting it in the process. In the meantime, I'll be saving what parts I need off of this for my rebuild of my VR4, my 95, that you see in the other videos on my channel. Today I got the exhaust off. I got that out, so made some progress. This is my oil catch here. This is a kid sled. Works pretty good. So anyway, that's where I'm at. It's not a lot going on, but if you are interested, I'll give you some numbers real quick and tell you what I've sold in a week. Last week, a guy named Rob that I know that lives around here. I'm gonna put a link to his channel down below, but he buys parts every now and then because he's rebuilding a 3000 GT also. So he came by and he grabbed the spoiler and the front license plate bracket, and he grabbed the lights for the rear license plate. And I just told him give me 50 bucks for all that. So the spoiler, the plate holder, and those light bulbs, 50 bucks. So I'd say what, 35 for the spoiler, 15 for the front license plate holder. And then I sold the bezels for the interior door handles. I sold the wiper motor, the rear wiper motor. I sold the jack and the tools that go with it. And I sold the shift knob and the boot. Sold that also. So after fees, shipping, eBay, all that stuff, I've made $138. So if we take that from the $1,500 that I've put into this, what am I got $1,362 to go. Is that right? 13. Yeah, $1,362 to go until I break even. So I do have a lot more parts I'm gonna be listing, like the tail lights and what else do I got going on over here? A bunch of these parts are going to get listed too. And I have just discovered the Facebook groups. I'm not big on Facebook. I'm not a huge fan of Facebook. Don't have many friends on it. I'm not really active on it. I mean, I am for the sake of just being on it and being able to be found. But I did join the groups, all the 3000 GT groups. And that's pretty cool because actually you get to see everybody who's doing everything and everybody who's building things, and that's pretty cool. I'm glad I found that. So I'll try to be more active on that and comment and introduce myself and see if I can't meet some more local people who like these cars. So yeah, a pretty boring video, nothing going on except just an update on parts. I've made $138 in a week, and then I'm close to pulling the engine out, at which point, once this engine comes out, parting out the rest of this is going to go pretty quick, and then this shell is going to have to go away. I think what I'm going to do, though, with this shell, I usually just scrap them. I will give it some time, maybe on the Facebook groups, and just post that if somebody wants the shell, you know, they can have it for free. Just come get it. But maybe somebody would want the shell. I don't know for what reason, but maybe somebody would. And it would be better than just scrapping it, because I'm not going to make any money scrapping it. So maybe I'll put it up there for a week or two. And somebody will come get it, or if they want it. And if not, whatever, I'll scrap it. No big deal. Let's see, what else is going on? Nothing else, really. That's about it. So quick video. I'm going to try to upload weekly just to stay up to pace on this stuff. You know, it's YouTube. It's the main people doing this. So if you found this and you watch this, thanks, because I know there's so much content out there. If you found this, check it out. Stick around. See you around.